Hi, in this lecture I will explain you about how to use wildcard for partial match in Vlookup. In Excel formulas we can use the wildcard for partial matches to get the results. This can be used in many functions where we do the matching. Similarly, we can also use the wildcard in Vlookup formula. In this lecture, I will explain you how to use wildcard in Vlookup formula. In this table, you can see the sales information, which consists of invoice number, customer name, and sales amount. However, the problem is if you see the invoice number column, the invoice numbers are not uniform or in same format. You can see the different formats used in entering the invoice number details in this table. In case if you want to match or look up column invoice number with the invoice number like GST1 with only this information, VLOOKUP formula will give you error because it will not get exact match in this column. Can we use approximate match formula of VLOOKUP to find out this one? So first let us try to match this with VLOOKUP approximate match formula. VLOOKUP, lookup value, table, comma, column index number 2, and we would like to try the approximate match. Let us try this one, but it is giving a wrong result. That is Shirish Deshpande, that is GST/6, this row. So the approximate formula will not help in this case. In this situation, you can use wildcards to make the partial match. So you can use either asterisk or question mark in the formula to make the partial match. Basically, the asterisk will replace any number of characters and the question mark will replace only one character. That means if you put asterisk before the lookup value, it will replace or ignore any number of characters before the VLOOKUP value in the lookup column. So let us try this with one example. VLOOKUP, lookup value. We should also add the asterisk for this formula, so should add and double quote asterisk, again double quote, comma, table, comma, column index it is 2, and we should do the exact match. So for GST1, yes, it is giving the correct result. After this GST-1, by putting this asterisk in the formula, it will ignore any number of characters in the lookup column. Like this, in case if we want to put this asterisk, we can put this before the lookup value also, double quote, asterisk, double quote, and lookup value. So if we enter like this, we can put invoice number as 1. Yes, it will give same results because it will ignore whatever is before this one and also whatever is there after this one. So we'll get the correct result. So that's how we can do the partial match with the help of asterisk, and we will also see how we can match with question mark. As we discussed earlier, question mark will replace only one character. So in case if we want to limit the number of characters for partial match, we can use question mark. So in this example, we have to look up for 1 in the invoice number column. Therefore, we have to start with the wildcard. So before that, there are 4 characters, that is GST dash or slash. For that, we should put 4 question marks, double quote, and lookup value again, and double quote. After that, the number of character varies from record to record, therefore we can use asterisk, double quote. So this completes lookup value. Then table, comma, column index, and exact match. Yes, you will get the correct result. With the help of question mark, you can limit the number of characters before or after lookup value. This wildcard can be used in many functions like SUMIF, COUNTIF, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, and many more.